How we doing? I like this one. How we doing? Let me see who's on the live. We got Stock Market Daddy. All right, I'll hit up Stock Market Daddy. Let's see how we doing. Up. TFC. He declined the invite. TFC. Yeah. Good to know. How we doing? We've got like 17 people in the live stream today. Oh, no, it went down. What's up? All right, let's see. Good doing. Whoa.
What's going on? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Do you like
Where are you
college?
from?
I'm
Yeah,
from
where are you from?
California. California.
I'm from Texas.
Nice. All right, you
All
get to
right,
follow the
watch
Skull Guy,
this.
and I will follow you. Oh, you already did it. Dang, that was fast.
Already, yeah, I know. Every time, whenever I try to add people on here, like people keeps declining. They hate me.
Well,
But it's
because
okay though.
you get a
Some
lot of little kids though. Like you get a lot of people that like they won't show their face, and then you get a lot of people that like, hello, how are you? And it's like, dude, this is like a 14-year-old. Like, I'm not trying to talk to like, a 14 or 12
I
year old.
know.
So
No, it's fine. Hey, how many followers you got on TikTok?
a good amount, like almost 70, 60 something thousand.
I have 500,000.
Dang. All right, you get a follow,
I
man.
do.
And so what do you do on your TikToks?
I do magic. I'm a magician.
Oh yeah, dude, that's dope.
Mm-hmm.
Do you do any investing? Do you take any of your like profits from being a magician and do any investing?
Uh, I don't take full responsibility in doing investing, but still a student, so I only do TikTok as like a just a little hobby, just like a side thing for fun, you know. But
Okay.
taking some tips, save it up for travel. I don't know.
Yeah. Well, you want to learn how to invest when you're young, man. That's the thing. It's like you understand math, right? You seem like a math guy, right?
I suck at math. No,
Oh,
I
because
really suck at math so much.
so the idea is compound interest, right? Like here, let me see if I can pull up a little scale for you, but it's like the sooner you start, it kind of like it's like a snowball. So like to make, let's just say $100, right? If you start
Right.
with $1 a day, you'll hit the 100 much faster if you start with like, in your 20s than if you start in your 30s or your 40s. It's all about compounding in time. And so that's the one thing that school doesn't teach you. If school actually taught you, you probably wouldn't have as many broke people coming out of school with student loans.
But I'll pick it up later. But hey, it's cool seeing you. So I'm gonna try to make some new friends here. If
All
you want
right,
to follow
dude.
me, you can.
Hit me up. I already followed you. So if you ever want to talk about investing, Bitcoin, crypto, whatever you hear in the news, hit me up. I'm your boy.
I'll follow you. How do I do this? I don't follow people.
I just followed you, so worst comes to worst, I think if you click on my profile, you should be able to follow me, like on the bottom of my face or whatever. But if not, no worries. I'll like comment on your
I
content. I'll comment on something on your content.
already followed you.
Okay, cool. Just hit me up another
All
time
right.
when you want to talk about crypto or something like. Good luck with
Yeah.
your magic
What's
tricks,
your
man. I gotta have you come back on later, man.
yeah? Later. How do I leave?
Here, I'll do it.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Arc W. That's a great one. Okay, hold on. I gotta reset the volume. Yeah. Do you want to do a double live, Crystal? Yeah. Go ahead. I go ahead and go live yourself, and you can invite me. Oh, you can't today. Okay, cool. What do you think Bitcoin will do next? I don't know. It's gonna go to the moon. Okay, I can do that. You just need to go live, Kelly. Just go live and invite me before some weirdo does. Cram in for an exam. Good luck, man. Good luck with your exams. But yeah, go ahead and leave your live stream and send me an invite, and I will accept. So let's do this. But yeah, good luck on your exam, Crystal Lee. And why do you not pay taxes if you use loans? It's you defer it. It's because you're not selling, so it doesn't trigger a taxable event. I can't see life hack because your head is covering. Okay, here we go. Let me read up the life hack. Use the weekend to build the life you want instead of trying to escape the life you have. If you're not going to hit your goals by getting drunk and partying every weekend, work hard now so your future self will thank you. Yeah, I saw your ARC W. I think that's a good investment. Okay, Kelly, are you unable to invite me? I might have to leave this live stream if I'm locked in or something like that. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can let me see if I can invite someone else really quick. Um, Yo, sorry about that. I was trying to fix with my
Oh, you're
live stream because they said I was co-hosting and I'm trying to invite someone else in. So let me talk to this other
yeah.
person, and then if you want to do a double
Hey,
live stuff.
I know you're good. I'm on the way to Louisiana, and I'm like losing service in and out, so I'm like messed up and out.
Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, let me close this and try it again. All right, testing the volume. Let me know if you can hear me, and then try it again, Kelly. I'm trying to do a dual live with Kelly Winners. I don't know if it's working. Okay, you guys can at least hear me. All right, so hopefully Kelly will try to do it again, and we'll do a double live stream with him. But let's see, what else were people asking me? Do you like the options trading stocks? No, I don't do options trading. I saw a kid make 64K in 1 month. There we go.
You, that took a little while. God damn it. What's good, bro?
Good, man. It must be hot over there, right? You're shirtless.
I mean, yeah, it is getting up to 80 degrees, but it's Buffalo, so it never gets too crazy hot. But yeah, I just what is it? Yeah, I didn't want to turn the AC on, so
There you go, shirtless.
Uh, hey, any ladies in here? Add me. But hey, what's good? What's good on the trading front? What are you doing stock wise right now? I have so
So
many
someone,
questions.
so someone asked me. Someone said go live with Stock Market Daddy. He rejected me. Whenever Stock Market Daddy has more than like 40 people in his live stream, he's too cool to talk to me. Someone asked me about
Yeah,
AMC, so I did sell some of my AMC. I sold some at
yeah,
47, and I sold some at 57, and I have a little
yeah.
bit left. So I'm gonna slowly just keep
You're still
selling it.
holding that?
I still have some, yeah.
Yeah,
So,
I scaled out on the day it hit its all time high. I scaled out anywhere between what is it because I bought in at like $9 or $10, so I scaled out between $38 and like I don't know $65. So I'm surprised people are still holding because essentially you're just getting the prices that you got 2 weeks ago. You know what I'm saying? It's not like it hit the all time high again. But I know that you held on to like 20 or something shares and didn't sell all of them at a set at 72. So it's good that you're getting
like,
another
it could be all time
bounce.
high. I'll put some orders. I mean, I still have my 20 shares. I just found additional 5 shares, so I sold like two at
Yeah.
47, two at 57, and I'll probably put
Okay.
like my last share that I have. What is it? I
Yeah.
think it's at like 72, you said was the all-time high?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
like
so I'll put
71,
it at
72.
72. If it hits 72 again, I'll sell it. And then the 20, I'm just gonna hodl. Like I don't think I'm gonna sell it
Yeah,
just because I got it for
yeah,
$3. I'm probably gonna kick myself because it's probably not gonna go back to $70 in a really long time.
yeah,
But
yeah.
I want my free popcorn.
I feel you. I feel you on that. I feel you on that. Yeah, yeah, for
It's
sure.
stupid. I should sell it. To be honest, I
You bought
should
them
sell it.
at $3, so that's a significant discount. I wish I had bought it a few months earlier. I was like, Jesus, bro.
Dude,
But yeah, I got
our homeboy right
huh?
here. I'm actually gonna follow him because this is crazy. But he's holding 155 shares. You crazy man.
I like what is the purpose? Yeah, scale down to 50 or 25. Like, but I mean, I guess everybody has their own way of doing things, so it's like whatever. Plus, if you got them at anywhere between 50 cents and $5, then it's no skin off your back. But I just don't see the purpose. It's not gonna moon to $400. That's not possible. You know what I'm saying? It's just there's so many people that are going on to conspiracy theories on here. Oh my God, it's distractions. Oh my God, there's gonna be a pump, bro. If you check out the numbers and do the calculations, which is basic math, you could pick up a paper, pick up a pen, do the formula yourself, and actually sit down and do the mathematics with a calculator. You'll know it's not gonna go anywhere near past maybe 110, 120. They've already diluted the market by adding more shares. So like, what are you doing?
Real talk. Now, what do you think of Neo? Have you heard of the stock? I mean, I know it right now. It's on the upward trajectory,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
you
yeah,
have
for
any
sure.
shares in Neo, or what are your thoughts?
NIO, super jealous. I did not get in a little bit earlier. I am not in a position to buy until a couple of days from now, but I definitely want to get in between them and CCIV. I'm very interested in what they're doing. I think they have very innovative designs. They're very clean, and in terms of appearance, they are superior to Tesla. Now, in terms of marketability, definitely not. But you know what I mean? I definitely feel as if the Tesla stock is way overpriced, and I feel as if there's nothing but upside for what is it, CCIV and Neo. But I believe CCIV will be releasing the Rivian and NPO sometime this year. And Rivian is the actual subsidiary, I guess, of CCIV that handles their electric vehicles. There was talk of it, so I'm not 100% sure if they're still doing that. There hasn't been any news on it in a few days, but yeah, it's Rivian, Rivian and NIO. I see that there's for the amount. It's like what, 600 a share, $525 a share for a Tesla stock. I can buy way more, NIO, which is barely at 50. Neo, I could buy way more Neo, way more Rivian, with that amount. When Rivian comes out, I don't even think it'll crack $20. After the initial 48, I like to call it 72 hours, where the price is inflated, and then people realize, hey, I probably shouldn't be buying on the first couple of weeks. You know what I mean? And then it crashes down. So it's just in my personal opinion, it's more of a bang for your buck thing. Not only that, they have cooler designs. They've been able to watch Tesla and Toyota, for those who forget that Toyota was cornering the market on electric vehicles way before Tesla even got in. You know what I mean? The Prius is, for all, even though it looks gross, the Prius was dominating the market before Tesla got in there. So I mean, just the fact that they have updated designs, their build is better. They just need to get more funding. You know what I'm saying? They're not quite as savvy as Elon was, and so they didn't quite generate the backing or get the they don't want to put themselves in as much debt as Elon did to kind of push Tesla up. You know what I mean? Keep in mind that prior to even pushing Tesla, that Elon was already on PayPal. He was on a bunch. He had created, or at least been involved in the creation and conception of a multitude of companies. So he had the capital to really, blow it all on Tesla. These corporations, not so much. But they're doing the best with what they have. Any other thoughts?
Yeah. Give me some breaks in between too, because I want to read these comments. So try to keep the
Yeah.
responses. But okay, so one comment I want you to talk about. I actually like this. So Rivian is still private, but he says, "I bet Amazon buys Rivian long term." What do you think of that, or a bigger player?
I don't know. I was almost certain that Amazon was going to be releasing their own fleet of delivery trucks that were in the EV market. I'm not quite sure if they want to buy Rivian, but if they can, they certainly have the capital.
Nice. Okay, we get some other things. So my main thing is I got in at Neo when it was under 20 and I missed the dip. I didn't buy the recent dip, but I didn't sell. The
Right.
best thing I did is, when it was crashing, I didn't, panic sell, but I do really regret
Exactly.
not buying. What do you think about, so this is another comment. CCIV is still overvalued. What do you think of that?
No, what? It's at $25 a share. Fluctuates anywhere between about what, $20 and $30 a share. It's all about your bankroll. For somebody like you, that's not overvalued. For somebody like me, that's not overvalued. Now I could sit here and do the mathematics. I believe there is a formula that can tell you whether or not a stock is overpriced for its particular market versus what the amount in circulation versus the market cap and all that. I could sit here and do the math with you, and maybe it would come out like that. But as investors, I don't think we rarely ever do that. You know what I mean? It's all about what's in your budget. And if for $25, CCIV is a steal. You know what I mean? Even if you were struggling, broke down, and you know what I mean, couldn't find your way. 25, you take $100 and buy weed with it. You can definitely take $100 and buy, a few shares of CCIV. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, another thing why I prefer NEO over CCIV and maybe even Tesla is that the Chinese government is backing them. So I don't think they can fail. Like the Chinese government will
Right.
keep giving them money so they can compete with Tesla. So I know that we don't like to invest in China, but like literally you got, it's like
Why
they're too
not?
big to fail, right? It's like they're going to get all
Right.
this like free government money. You know what I mean? So
Right.
when it comes to
Right.
EV, I mean, it's kind of hard to bet against China. And like, I understand obviously putting some into American, but I don't see major risk with Chinese EVs because they cheat.
Right.
Their government just bails them out.
Right. What they do is they subsidize it. So once you have a subsidiary, you get what I'm saying, and the government is backing you and acting as your primary financier, it's pretty difficult to fail. It's also pretty difficult to fail when what? They have like 6 or 7 billion people over there. People stacked on top of people, stacked on top of people. So it's like they have a huge market. And their country is invested in decreasing their carbon footprint. That's what China has been very vocal and worried about within the last 10 years. Even in the criticisms of what is it, when they get together, when all of the countries get together to kind of discuss their carbon footprint, all of those meetings have been critical of China. And so China's going to do whatever it can to kind of shift away from all that, pumping all that smoke in the air and pouring all that toxins in water. So, and for lack of better terms.
Got it. Got it. Do you use Blockify or Voyager? Do you use either one?
Not quite.
You
Voyager
don't
is
use-
blocked in New York. I use Coinbase Pro. Coinbase, I downloaded Gemini Wallet after our last discussion a couple of weeks ago, and I'm staking Litecoin and storage through them. Didn't know that they allowed to stake storage. That's tight because not too many, almost no one allows you to stake storage. So what else?
So for
Who else
yield
do I have?
farming, this is actually a good point. For yield farming, if you're in New York right now, the only thing that works is Gemini, right? Have you tried
Yep.
the other one you should try is shoot, Celsius.
Trust Wallet.
Have you
Oh,
heard of
Celsius.
Celsius?
Yes. Yes, I've
Is that
downloaded
allowed in New
Celsius, and
York?
I will. No, we're not allowed to have it in New York, but you
Okay.
can kind of do little tips and tricks to get around it. I guess
Okay.
I'll do a video on it eventually, but I found a
Yeah.
way around it. And what I will be doing is staking Matic through it because they offer over 10% on Matic. I was like, whoa. So yes,
No.
I've broken into the Matic playground with I bought 30 coins, and then tomorrow I might buy a couple hundred more, and then I will be staking it in Celsius.
What about ICP? What are your thoughts? It crashed. So I've been buying the ICP dip. What are your thoughts on ICP?
um I think it's an incredible I think it's an incredible opportunity. It's associated with Microsoft, I believe, right?
I don't
Or is
know.
it
I
Windows?
just bought it,
One of
man.
the two.
I just bought it. Oh, someone's saying ICP is
Right.
trash. You got to tell us why then. Why is ICP trash?
Right. For the cheap one, I'm at $700 a token, which is what it initially came out to, damn near $800 a token. Hell no. You know what I'm saying? For a small guy like me, a little fish, an ant, I believe is the terminology that you use for my kind of my size of investment portfolios. I'm an ant. I would no way. I saw it the day it came out because it was pushed on Coinbase, obviously, and Coinbase does these huge little things where they kind of hype up the coin and all that good stuff. So at $700, I was not gonna buy it. But what's it at now? Like $60? Is it
Yeah,
down to
60
100?
bucks, dude. So I've been
Yeah,
buying half a ICP, like what is that, $30 a chunk?
yeah,
$30 a time
yeah.
I've
It's
been buying
associated.
half an ICP.
Yeah, I'm almost 99% sure it's associated with Microsoft. So at $60 a token, that's not bad at all.
Yeah. Hey, so at Party Finance, are you able to do a double live? I'm gonna try to do maybe a double live with him after I'm done with you.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Any other
He said
questions? I
he's
would love
long.
some
He
more
said
questions.
Party Finance says he's long ICP, so maybe I can get him on here and hear what he has to think about. Um, is there any other cryptos okay? So he is available. So let's wrap this up. Before we go,
All
is
right.
there any cryptos you
Mm-hmm.
like? Like give me your like top three cryptos before we end this live stream that you're looking at.
Great. Now in terms of bang for your buck, low value,
Yeah, yeah. Bang for your buck.
low risk, low
And
reward.
and it can't
It's
be Bitcoin or Ethereum because I already say Bitcoin
right,
and Ethereum.
right. I always kind of scale over those. If we're trying to keep it under $2, it's obviously going to be H bar, Vet, Matic, ADA, and yeah, that's kind of where you want, and XRP maybe. That's kind of where
Okay.
you want to stick to. Those are the five you want to. Now, in terms of your high value coins, meaning over $2, Hydra definitely, Dot, Celsius, Luna, and yeah, always gonna be Matic in there, and there's always gonna be, for me, DeFi token, because you can stake DeFi token and Hydra token on KuCoin, and you can get over 30% to 41% APY on your DeFi token for what, about $3, just under
You gonna
three
make a
bucks.
video on this?
And
Are you gonna make a
I
video?
will eventually.
Okay, follow
I
him.
will, because I've been
Give
making
him
it.
a
And then
follow.
Hydra token has right. Hydra token has now hit, I think, $40 today. Had a huge boost. They stake for anywhere between 100 to 180%, and people are doing nothing but buying and jamming it in KuCoin. Jesus, I mean, the returns are incredible. I haven't broken into Hydra yet, but I will eventually, and when I do, I will make a video. Final thoughts.
All right, man. Good talking to you.
All
Stay in
right, my
touch.
guy.
Let's
Always
do this
nice
again
chatting
soon,
with you.
man.
Have a
It's
good
always
one.
good talking to you.
Come follow me, everyone. Come follow me.
Yeah, come check him out, man. Love his content.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna reset the volume.
Yeah, give him a follow. Definitely give him a follow, and then let me know if you guys can hear me if the volume is loud, because sometimes when you do these double calls, it's no bueno. All right, Party Finance, get on. I got like 20 minutes. 20 minutes and then I gotta go to the gym. So let's talk to Party Finance for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I gotta bounce. Oh, I probably can't invite right now. Hey, is my co-hosting not allowing you? You can't invite me, Party Finance? I think that's the problem. I might have to invite someone else and then leave again. Are you unable to invite me, Party Finance? Yeah, I might have to invite some random person and then end the live stream to fix it. Yeah, I'm gonna assume that's why he can't do it. All right, let me. There we go.
What's up?
How we doing? So you want to give me your thoughts on ICP? They're saying they don't like ICP because the white paper is pretty dystopian, and they say it's very centralized.
That's like with 80% of other white papers too. I say. I don't know. I bought it because it's like down so much, and there's like a lot of people trapped in it. That's like the only reason I bought it. So
I think the idea though of an internet that's on a blockchain instead of a bunch of servers, like the idea is gold, man, because who wants to give their like information to like Amazon, Facebook, Google? Why let them do all that? Yeah, there you go. Working stake Matic Celsius wallet. There you go. You can make money, just not long term. That's true. That's true. Uh-oh, we're running into internet issues. What else are you looking at this morning? Is there other stuff that you were covering?
Yes, I bought DraftKings this morning and
Me
sold
too.
it. Like it popped up. Yeah. So I got some DraftKings. It's doing pretty good. Let's
Okay,
see.
yeah, I bought some at $45. I think it's 47. So, and he's gonna go buy some right now.
Yeah.
Everybody, let me buy some of that DraftKings. And he's like rushing to her phone. DraftKings to the moon. So DraftKings crashed? Yeah, it went down because the same people, the Hindenburg, the people that shorted Nikola, and he's buying some right now on the live.
Yeah, they have a short interest on
Yeah,
DraftKings.
That's crazy.
yeah. What's the price right now, Annie?
47.
Yeah, I bought some at 45. I'll keep
Why
buying
trash?
because they published the hit piece. They said that it's like connected to some like gambling mafia in like some country. It's bogus, man. They have Michael Jordan. They have what's his name, the guy who owns the Patriots. They have a bunch of legit people. So maybe they have some shady investors. Football season is coming. Yeah, that's a good point. Football season is going to make DraftKings a lot of money.
The one that messed up.
A lot of money. Yeah.
And it's not legalized everywhere. So they're going to keep bribing politicians and eventually it will be legalized everywhere. And like you don't realize that gambling is like one of the best businesses, especially online gambling where, you don't have to pay for real estate, you don't have to buy employees. I mean, there's a lot of profit in online gaming. So I think that's an easy money stock. Is there other stuff that you were looking at? I bought some Coinbase. Didn't it dip again? It went back down, so I bought some more.
Yeah, it's at 232. I have an order at 210. I don't know if that's gonna hit, but my order's been there for like a week
My
and a half.
average price is still 240, so I literally every morning just wake up and buy another Coinbase. I'm gonna keep buying until my average is lower than whatever the price is, and then I'll just sit on it and hopefully Coinbase will go to the moon. Airbnb broke 150, so now you can't even get it.
Yeah,
So that stock we were talking about it when it was $133, and
exactly.
I don't see a threat for Airbnb. Like travel is crazy. By the way, I went to the airport. It's a freaking zoo, man. Be careful. When are you coming to LA though?
July 4th, I think.
You
Around
booked your
there.
flight yet?
Not yet. I'll book it
Someone's
soon.
like, I missed Airbnb. We told you guys. We told you guys. So just wait. There'll be another dip, man. I have a feeling there'll be another tech crash or bubble. But Coinbase and Airbnb, and you can still get into Coinbase. Coinbase is still cheap. So you're flying out in like 3 weeks then, right?
Yeah, about
How long are you
two and a half
staying?
weeks. I might stay for like a week, depending on
What are
because I
your
have a
plans?
buddy. He runs a hedge fund there, so I might
Nice.
chill with him for a little bit.
Nice. So are you going to be staying in LA? Buy 75 or of DraftKings? What, 75 shares? I don't know what that comment is. So where in LA are you going to be staying? Where's your buddy located? Gotta grab a beer.
He lives off of Wilshire. Is that how you
Okay,
say
yeah,
it?
that's Santa Monica probably. Santa Monica or Beverly Hills.
Yeah,
Those are all really nice areas. So that's good, man. You're going to love that area. There's a lot to do and
yeah,
you can like walk around and stuff like that. So that's dope. All right, man. Looking forward to that. We're going to have to do a double live stream in person. Oh, sorry. Thinking about
yeah.
buying
Do like a
75
meet and
shares.
greet.
Yeah, I think if you can get DraftKings under 45, it's good. But even under 50, I think it's a good price because the all-time high was 70, right? Didn't DraftKings hit $70?
Yeah, let me bring up a chart.
So, is
Yeah, it
there
was
any?
like 74, 75.
What do you think about your crypto? By the way, are you going to sell more of that Bitcoin long position, or what are you doing with your long Bitcoin position?
I'm still holding my long. My two targets now are 42,000 and 46,000. So I'll
So
sell
take
more at
profit.
42, probably another 25%. Yeah, so take profit 25%, and then sell the other 50% at 46, if
What
we
if
can get up there.
What if this is like, the next leg of the bull market, and you sold at 40 whatever, and it goes up to 80,000? Aren't you going to be like upset that you
Well,
sold,
I'm
or?
selling my long, so I'm selling Bitcoin for my Bitcoin. So I'm making more Bitcoin, so I'm not worried.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm
There
not
you
trading
go.
USDT. I'm trading on BitMEX, so Bitcoin
Okay.
futures kind of.
Okay. Okay. What about Ethereum? What do you think of Ethereum's price action? You want to take a look at the
So
Ethereum
on the
chart?
1 hour for both of them, like even Bitcoin looks kind of bearish on the 1 hour. It could potentially go to like 37,000 for Bitcoin, so Ethereum could go to like 24. Um, yeah, I say 25.
You don't think
For
Ethereum will go back to 4,000? It'll take a while before we see a 4,000 Ethereum again.
Once we break, like we're back bullish, like above 42, Ether should start chasing back up slowly, go back to 3,000. So yeah, it's gonna follow Bitcoin for right now.
Wow, our homie here is buying 75 shares of DraftKings, and then he's like, honestly, just learning. I'm 2 weeks into the stock market. Good job, bro. You should have started a month ago when everything was tanking. That's the best time to start. Okay, and so we're thinking 37 to 38K before the pump up. Okay, so we're thinking a down leg and then it pumps up. Okay, I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, based off what I'm looking at on the 1 hour.
Got you. That's cool. All right. Let's talk about some other stocks too. I still bought some Zillow. What do you think of Zillow? I think Zillow's still like on the down end. I stopped buying Redfin. I don't like Redfin over $60. I still like Open Door before it hits $20. So let's look at Open Door and let's look at Zillow.
All right, yeah, I'm looking at Zillow right now. 109 doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty good. I like this area right here. So I would consider buying some Zillow possibly.
So you guys, if you missed out on Airbnb, check out Zillow. That's another way to play real estate. Let's look at Open Door too, because like some people like cheap stocks, even though it shouldn't matter. We need to make a video to explain market cap. The price of the stock doesn't matter, and people need to be using interactive brokers so you can buy fractional shares. So then the stock price is irrelevant.
Yeah, Open Door doesn't look too bad either. Looks pretty good.
So there you go. If you want to get some real estate stocks in and you missed out on the Airbnb boat, check out Open Door, check out Zillow. How's Rocket and the mortgage people doing? What's Rocket at right now? Rocket and
The Rocket is 2032. I would consider buying some at like 19, 18, like a dollar lower.
dude, look at that pump that it had. Will we ever get that pump on Rocket again? I should have cashed out. What was the high on that pump? What did it go to?
It was $43.
Dude, man, will we get a 43 Rocket anytime soon? Man, I should have took profits at like 30.
Yeah, I have no idea. Doesn't look too bad, I would say.
So you would consider buying Rocket right now? What was the price? 19 what?
19 to 18, so like in between,
What is it
like a
right now
dollar
though?
lower would be good. 2032.
Yeah, Rocket under 20. Yeah. I think Rocket
Yeah.
under 20 is a good price. So that's a good idea. See what other stocks are we looking at? I also like Alibaba. You want to take a look at Alibaba? It's still like in that
Yeah, I was
210
actually
range.
looking at that earlier. I like Baba. I said if it goes under 200 for sure a buy. So I have an alert for 200.
We're just waiting on that Ant Group thing. I know their IPO got blocked, but they eventually have to go public. And Alibaba owns, I believe, 25% of the Ant Group, and like that's like owning Square. That's like Amazon owning Square
Yeah.
or PayPal. Amazon owning PayPal. So or Apple Pay or Google Pay. So okay, so we got someone asking about the AMP coin. I've never even heard of it. AMP coin.
AMP.
Yeah.
It's on Gemini.
It was released on
It's 8
Coinbase.
cents.
It was released on
Yeah, I
Coinbase.
have no idea what this is.
It might be another nice pump and dump. What's the project? If you can, pull up like the white paper and let's look at it just for
All right.
giggles.
Let me add this to my stream.
We might as well look at the ICP web paper too. Well, let's look at AMP first.
So it's up 25% today.
Too late, man. Yeah, it's too late. You should have bought it when it didn't go up 25%.
Yeah,
Let's look at the
it's up
white paper anyway.
25%.
Let's look at the white paper. I mean, maybe if it goes back down, usually when it goes up 25%, it'll come back down, but I've never heard of it. So just read it out because I can't see your screen. So just read it out to us, whatever you're seeing, or give us the highlights.
So AMP is a digital token designed to facilitate fast and efficient value transfer. So basically, just like transfer like large amounts of funds.
So
fast.
Bitcoin and Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash 2.0.
Yeah, it's basically like Litecoin, essentially. That's built on the Ethereum network. So
Okay, this is more reason for you to buy Ethereum because everything's based on Ethereum.
yeah, just buy Ethereum if you really want to.
Yeah, so if you're waiting to buy AmpCoin, wait for it to go back down. You don't want to buy it when it went up 25%. But buy some Ethereum while you're waiting, and then if AMP dips again, pick it up. I mean, it's up to you. I'm probably not going to buy any, but I'll buy more Ethereum. All right, now we're going to look at ICP.
Yeah, I have no idea what this project is. Pretty
Well, ICP is
interesting.
supposed to be like a decentralized internet, right?
Yeah. It's a not for profit. That's so funny. Not for profit.
Hey, that means they don't have to pay taxes to the government. Churches are not for profit.
Yeah. Based in
That's
Zurich, Switzerland, oversee research in Palo Alto, San Francisco, Japan, and Germany. So.
We'll just keep watching it. It seems pretty thing.
Yeah, it looked based off the chart. It looks really good. I say so.
Okay. Well, I'm going to be heading out to the gym. So if you guys got any final questions for me or Party Finance, let me know. If not, jump into his live stream. You can hit him up, ask him more questions. How much have you made from the TikTok Creator Fund? Like $40, $30?
Damn,
Uh,
I'm at like one something, like 120, 130.
yeah, remind me, guys, get your Bitcoin Cash wallet set up. I'm gonna start paying people to follow me on Twitter and YouTube. I'm gonna take my
Nice.
$10 I make
I
on
got my
TikTok.
first sponsorship the other day.
Oh,
That's
no
pretty
way!
fun.
What kind of sponsorship?
I'll tell you off
Okay,
camera.
that's pretty funny. Okay, guys, I'm gonna head out.
Yeah.
Check out his live stream, and we'll do this again every morning. So if you like the content, oh yeah, and then also check out my YouTube channel. I put all my live streams on my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Talk to you guys soon.